Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. So any doubt, any confusion, whatever we have discussed about the number range, have you created number range according to your requirement? Number range, new employee number, have you created in SAP HCM system?
Sir, there was an error coming
Uh,
while I was creating number range.
I have already earlier told if during the practice if you found any type of error, just take a screenshot and share with me. Okay. Okay.
I
So
was doing in the
which
morning actually.
okay which error you are getting? Let me show which error you are
Sorry?
getting.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, which error you are.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So it was coming here as data overlap.
Because earlier I told if you are going to be defining the number range, if number range already exists, like for example, 100 to 300 already here available in 01 sequence. Okay, so what will happen when you are going to define 200 to 250? So you will get there that data over there because already it's available. If I'm going to take 200 to 250, then it's already there 100 to 300. That's why you are getting that error. Okay. And what about Nagma and Shivangi? Have you tried to do?
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली मुझे नोट्स ही प्रोवाइड बहुत लेट हुआ, दैट्स व्हाई मैं थोड़ा पहले का रिकवर में लग रही हूँ.
Okay,
I'm
okay,
not
okay.
trying this.
Okay, so please create this thing. It's important. Okay, if you're able to
Yes.
create this part, then because today we are going to be discussed about the info group and action type. How to create the info group and action type. Okay.
Sir, I was creating between 1000 to 5000. That
No,
was not there, no?
no, there. I think that will be in range. If you're getting that error, that's a meaning it's already available. Okay. That's okay. Today I'm going to start the new topic that is the info group. What is the info group? What is the info type? Anyone tell me?
It's a employee's information.
Yeah, employee related to employee information. That's called info group. Sorry, that is the info type. And info group. What is the info group? Group of info type. Set of info type. If you are going to make the group of info type, that's called info group. And first thing we need to know why person need to create info group. Like for example, which transaction to do the hiring? Which transaction could be used to do the hiring in SAP SM system? What is the T code we use? Which one?
Will you repeat again?
So which T code we use in SAP SM system to do the hiring, run any type of action?
PA40.
Yeah, correct.
PA40, right?
Use of PA40, we are using PA40 for do the run any type of action, whatever it is, hiring, joining, promotion, termination, global assignment, deputation,
Sir,
any action.
sir, your voice is coming low. We are not able to understand.
Okay, now it's okay.
सर अब डाउन हो ही रहा है आपका वो पिछले कई दिनों से.
Okay, normal voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
So in so info group we used to make the grouping of info types. Why it's important in SAP SM system? For example, when you are going to be do the hiring, hire the new employee in SAP SM system, so that time you need to be run the PA40. During PA40, just you able to create 0001, sorry 4 times 0, that is for action info type, and 0001, that is for the organizational assignment. But what about the remaining info type like 0006, 0009? 14, 15, 0008, 0007, lots of info type, mandate info type is available. Which information is a mandate during hiring, during hire of a new employee? Okay, so we using which T code to update the master data in SAP SM system? Which T code we use to update the master data in SAP SM system?
PA30.
Yeah, correct.
A20.
No, PA30.
PA30.
PA20 only we
Okay.
display. PA30 we used to make modification in master data. So you are working, you are doing configuration as a consultant for your customer, not for your customer. Who is customer? Customer will be our client who will working as a end user. That they will be customer. Okay. So one thing is important here. So in PA40, it's not possible when we are going to be do the hiring, and then after doing the creating that employee number, I will copy that employee number, then again going to paste in PA30. Then one by one, we are going to update all the information like 0006, 0009. Now management advice to their HR department. So during hiring of employee, you need to be update the mandate information during hiring of employee. Like 4 times 0 and 0000, so by default, it's got updated by with the help of the PA40. And remaining info type like which is a mandate info type, 0002 for personal data, 0006 for address, 0007 for work schedule, 0009 for bank detail, 0008 for basic pay, 14 and 15 taking deduction and additional payment 50. So this now management team give the list that is the total 5 info type, 5 or 10 info type which you need to be update during hiring of employees. It's a mandate. Without updating this information, your hiring process we cannot consider as a complete in SAP SM system. That's a condition given by the client. So if any consultant, like you are working as a consultant in that project, you have advice, you have give the advice to your customer that please you use PA30 and do update all the data. But maybe after 1 and 2 months, another consultant placed in that and might be they forget it to update during in PA40. We are enter one by one enter all the information. Is it not possible? Okay, maybe it's a chances to forget to update, or maybe there will lots of work will maybe work pressure someone forget it to update the mandate info type. Okay, so to avoid such type of incident in SAP SM system, SAP provide the one feature that is a info group. One feature provided by SAP for info group. What is the work of info group? If you are going to make info group in SAP SM system, so all the mandate info type you need to be clubbed in one bucket. Okay, for example, you need to be update address, bank account detail, basic pay, personal data, all the information info type you need to be update during hiring when you are going to be run any new action in SAP SM system. Like for example, you have created one new action that is Big Bazaar joining. Big Bazaar joining. So when you are going to be run Big Bazaar joining with the help of the PA40, so during hire that automatic all the screen will come one by one. Once you say 4 times 0, 0001 will come by default. Then 0002 will come, 0006 will, according to sequence, whatever sequence of info type you have added in that bucket, same thing going to be displayed in SAP. Same thing going to be displayed in SAP system during hiring. Okay, that's why we are going to create the info group. So what will happen? So when any employee, when individuals are going to be do the hiring SAP system, so there might automatic all the screen will come one by one during run of the PA40. No need to be go in a PA30. Directly with the help of the PA40, we can update all the mandate info type. Okay, that's why we use in SAP system info group. What is the info group? During interviews, a very important question, interview question, that what is the info group? Group of info types. Same info type, that's called info group. And they will going to why we are going to be create the info group. Same thing earlier, whatever I have explained, same thing you have to convey to your interview. Okay, that's the info group. Now, second thing, user group. User group we must define in SAP SM. So whatever it is, 20, define in SAP HM system. What is the use of user group? Like for example, in same group of company, like you all are working, like Shivangi, Nagma, and Varsha, in same organization, you all are working as a SAP HR individual. Okay. So your requirement is whatever we are going to be create in PA40, Nagma cannot be say whatever Shivangi going to create it, other consultant cannot be check that for part, not able to see. So only visible for my when we will open with my user ID PA40. So whatever I have created the action type, like I have action created Big Bazaar joining, Big Bazaar termination, separation. So same thing only when Shivangi going to be do the login in SAP SM system. So only Shivangi can able to see whatever Shivangi created action. Whatever Nagma created, when Nagma will do the login in their system, so only Nagma. So cannot, like that is a requirement. Whatever Shivangi create, Varsha cannot able to see in PA40. Whatever Shivangi created, Nagma cannot see, and each other cannot check their action type. Like for example, another example under Tata Group.
Sir, your voice is so fluctuating so much. I'm not able to follow.
And your speed too fast.
Okay, now it's okay. Hello. Hello.
So yeah.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, like another example of user group under Tata Group, there are two companies. One is a Tata Steel and Tata Motor. So, in Tata Steel, Shivangi working. In Tata Motor, Varsha working. So now requirement of Tata Group that who is working as a management there. So their requirement, we need to be create one few action for Tata Motor, few action for Tata Steel. But the requirement is whatever Tata Motor using action type cannot used by Tata Steel, and whatever Tata Steel created the action type that no need to be used by other one like a Tata Steel. Okay. Okay, so like that. So that's why we use user group in SAP system. Any T code we can use. T code. There is a separate T code for create user group. Anything you can create. Okay, user group. I will show in a system. Now next one is a setup personal action. Setup personal action, that is a standard, nothing customized here, like employment status 0. That means we employee not with company. When you will get the error T503 table, there you need to be assigned, go to SM30, then enter that table during hiring. When you will get the error in employee subgroup, that time you need to be assigned employment status. So that is the status here. 0, that means if you are going to say 0 there, that means employee not with the company. 1, that means employee with company but inactive. Maybe some reason employee available in company but it's inactive. 2, that means employee with company but as retiree or pensioner, then we can use 2. 3, employee active in company. That's why in table T503 with the help of SM30 we maintain here 3, employment active in company. This is for employment status. Sometimes during interview they are going to ask, like this is a standard one. Okay, everywhere it will be same. 0, employee not with company. 1, employee with company but inactive. 2, employee with company but as a retiree. 3, employee active in company. That's it. Okay. So user parameter in user group, that is a user group. Earlier I discussed user parameter SU3. This is a T code SU3 we use to maintain user group. One is Molga MOL. Complete name is Molga MOLGA. In short form, in a parameter ID we need to be maintain MOL in a short form. What is a Molga? Molga is a country grouping. Technical name of country grouping Molga MOLGA. So which country grouping you are working, that country group you need to be used, and which user group you have created UGR, that user group you need to be used. Like you are working, you use 20, 30, 40, anything you can use UGR. Okay. In I hope earlier in the first or second session I did this part. In this part, Molga and UGR. Okay. Then BA40 now. Now, any doubt, any confusion in the theoretical part in info group? What is a info group? What is a use of the group? What is setup personal action is that is when we are going to create in PA40 all the actions we are going to be set, that's a personal action. I will show there are some steps we need to be followed to create that part. So any doubt, any confusion in info group, user group and employment status, anyone? What's in theoretical part, any doubt, any in this concept, any doubt, any confusion, anyone?
Sir, will you write T code here?
T code
Like,
that is
in,
SU3.
yeah, set up personal actions and user group and info
Yeah,
group.
that thing. No, this is not a T code. That is a configuration action. SPR we need to be used. So that part how
No,
to.
no, no. How can we open these?
That thing I'm going to do.
Like, how can we open set up personal action?
Yeah. So now I'm going to show in that system. Okay. So what's
Like, what did you define? I mean, what did you say about Bolga?
Molga? Molga, that is a country grouping. Technical name of country grouping, Molga. In SAP SCM, there are two parts. I have already said functional and technical. So when technical person they are going to be the coding, they use the technical language of functional thing. Like for example, employee number we know as a personal number. We know in SAP SM system personal number. When we are going to be make any configuration or we are going to make any template, any type of documents, then we used personal number or employee number, employee code, say SAP code. This thing we will use as a functional consultant. But when SAP HR technical person, they will go, they will do the code in SAP SM system. So they cannot use, like for example, in code need to be write personal number, need to be write in a code personal number. But technical person cannot be used personal number. They can use technical name of personal number. In table I will show in the next session how we can check the technical name. So like for example, personal number technical name is Bernard, user group technical name is UGR, country grouping technical name is Molga. It's a for SAP is a technical consultant, not for the functional consultant. But when you started to work, so some few technical name it's automatically remember, which will use maximum time. Like beginning date, that's a BEGDA in a SAP HR ABAP coding. In date, that is a INDA. Okay, that is a technical name. Lots of technical name. Everything, whatever you can able to see, you are going to do the configure in a functional side. Everything having a technical name. So SAP HR technical person, they are going to use the technical name only. Okay. Molga, that is technical name. There's a complete name MOLGA. But in parameter, we need to be use only three words only. So that's why I have written MOL. In UGR, user group, that is a UGR. MOL, Molga, country specific. Like for example, you are going to be do the configuration for the USA payroll. Then you need in a place of 40, Molga it will be 10. According to country grouping, it will be. Okay. Okay, what's up? Please share your screen now. Now, how to create info group, how to maintain user parameter, user group, and how to set up personal action. I will show in a system. What's up? Please share your screen and do login. Please give me. PA40 T code first. So this is action type. Set up personal action when you will create the new customer say please create the new action type, that is Big Bazaar new joining, Big Bazaar joining, or Big Bazaar inter already there. So anything it will be new action. You need to be create how to create the new action type. Like if customers say please create the new one is a Big Bazaar or DHL. We can take as a DHL. DHL new joining. We need to create the new action DHL new joining, and when we are going to be run that action DHL new joining, so automatic all the info type will come one by one. Whatever we have set in info group, that info group need to work when we are going to be run that action DHL new joining, so need to become all them. That is a requirement. How to do the configuration to fulfill this requirement? First we need to be check the user group. T code is /n su3 /n su3 enter parameter. Same thing you need to be do everyone in your system. Already I have said in Versa system like a 40 Molga 40 and in UGR I have given 30. So I'm request to everyone when you are going to create the UGR, so you have to take the same number 30. Why? Because I can able to check all the system in any consultant screen. Okay, so that's why please use 30 everyone. Okay, in this batch. 30. So already Molga 40 and UGR I have maintained same thing. You need to be do everyone in your system. So what is the user group now? User group is 30. Okay. Now next one /n SPRO.
Why user group you said?
User group need to be set like define whatever action, like two consultant like you two consultant is working, so your requirement whatever action type I have created no need to be visible by other consultant, like for example two company under one company, two company under one organization, there are two company code, one is ABC, next one second one is XYZ, one consultant is working in XYZ, one consultant is working in ABC. So now requirement is whatever action ABC is going to be create, no need to be visible by XYZ consultant. Okay, that's why we are going to set the user group. If XYZ and ABC consultant set the same user group, like 30 ABC is also set, XYZ is also set the same thing. So what will happen? Whatever created in PA40 action type, so it will be visible to both. Okay, but if XYZ will take 30 and ABC will take 20, so it will be not going to visible by each other. Okay, that's why we use user group. Okay, like for example in a real time scenario there are group of employees. When you are going to when you will get your user ID and password from basis consultant in a real time scenario, so they are going to be grouped according to your job profile. Like you are working in a development server, you are working for the personal administration module. Okay, so there are 10 person working in personal administration module, so basis consultant they are going to be grouped. Okay, like 10 consultant they are going to be added in a one group, like a 30. Another who is working in payroll management, so they are going to create a separate group for the payroll management. Okay, so that is a group for working purpose. Okay, according to their job profile, basis is going to do the group that they can use the separate information, cannot be used by other whatever one consultant created cannot be used by other consultant.
Okay.
/SPRO enter. How to first we are going to create the info group, then we will create the action type. That is a navigation SPRO SAP reference IMG. Then we will personal management. These documents I will provide after the session. Personal management, then personal administration, then customizing procedure, that one. Then action. Under action, first info group. First we are going to create the info group. First is user group dependency on menu and info group. I need to click over here. And then new entry. We can check the menu, anything we can select which is not available in SAP SN system. So we are going to take JDEX. Okay, JDEX. And text we are going to use like DHL. This action, new action we are going to be create. User group dependency we need to be ticked, and reference what is the user group we have set it in SU3 30. So 30 we will take, 30 we will take here. And now save. JDEX is already available, so it just we're getting there. So we need to select something different. What can I do? QA. Try to QA. QA is already available. We can take like MQ. Yeah, MQ. So we have created user group, menu name MQ. Now it's got created DHL, new joining, MQ, user group 30. I have given. Now next will
So
be
this is basically for consultant.
yeah, basic for consultant. Consultant also individual. Okay, because we are going to be work for the end user, mainly for our customer. Okay, so everything whatever we are going to be configured, so we are going to be configured according to customer requirement. Okay, and for the convenience of customer individual. Okay, info next info group modifier. For in what is a feature we use for the number range? Anyone? What is a feature we use for the number range?
Number.
Yeah, correct. Number we use for the number range. And feature info group modifier. What is a feature we use for the info group? That is a IGMOD. Okay, these two feature is very important. During interview, they will going to ask the question from personal administration. One feature is number, and second feature is IGMOD. This feature name IGMOD we use for info group modifier. Okay, how it's going to be same as a personal, same as a number range. Okay, so IGMOD feature we need to be set according to our personal area. We need to be give their return value. Okay, so what is your personal area? Your personal area. What's up? What is your personal area here?
I have created 6655.
6655. It is 66. Okay, if not, then we need to be. Okay. So just we will see. This is a technical name of the personal area. What is the technical name of personal area? WERK. See, this is technical name of personal area. We know as a personal area. SAP is a technical consultant. Know as a WERKS. Okay. If anything changes required in a personal area in a coding, then consultant SAP HR technical consultant, they are going to do the coding using this technical name WRK. So we will select our personal area, then create here. Then we will select personal area. What is 5577? What is what's
6655.
double
6655.
6655?
6655.
Double six. This one 6675. No. So it's added. Now we will select there again our personal area. Then again create return value. Return value we can give anything here. Like for example, I have taken return value xy. Okay, for anything you can do, digit number, anything you can take xy. I have given return value xy, and now activate. In IGMOD feature, according to personal area, we need to be give only return value. Return value I have given. Now activate this with this one already activated. Now last one, info group. In info group, what is the info group we have created? Taken in an info group menu, QM. Okay, MQ, no? MQ. MQ. MQ, yeah. MQ, DHL new joining, we have taken. DHL new join MQ, user group is 30. Here I will cover new entry. Then user group. What is the user group we have created? 30. So in here we need to be give user group. User group 30. Info group modifier. Whatever return value we have given in IGA modifier, that thing we need to be right here. Which one we have given? XY. Return value I have given in IGA modifier XY. In that is a sequence number. This is sequence number. Operation. In SAP SCM, there are few operations we need to be used during creation of info group. So when we click over there, copy, COP for copy, DEL for delete, DIS for display, INS for create. What is what is the use of this operation? Like for example, when you are going to be do the hiring in SAP SCM system, so that are required to create new information or delete new information or copy new information. Tell me anyone. Like for example, you are working as a HR in any organization. So when you are going to be hire new employee in system, so which thing you are going to be do? You are going to be update their information or display their information or delete their information. Which thing you are going to be do?
Sir, create.
Yeah, correct. You need to be create during hiring action. According to your action, you need to be select the operation. So currently we are going to be create the hiring action, joining action, like a person joining. So joining action, so we need to be create everything here. We need to be create all the information. But when you are going to be create the info group action for the separation, when you are going to be separate the employee, you are going to be run that action using PF40. So now management say when you are going to be separate any employee, so you need to be delete some information like their bank account, the bank account detail you need to be delete their personal area need to be delete, sorry, their basic pay need to be delete. So that time when you are going to create the action type for separation, that time according to like what you want to do with info type, if you want to be delete, then select DEL. If you want to create, then select INS. If you want to change, then MOD. Whatever according to your requirement, you need to be select the operation from here. So just we are going to use INS for, because we need to be create first two info type in new hiring and new joining. When you are going to hire the employee, any new employee going to be hired in a system, so 4 times 0, this info type will be by default, and second it will be. Then we will give the INS. INS and there 00001. These two info type we need to be give by default in a new hiring action. 4 times 0 and 00001. Now next one according to your requirement, like we need to be create, and it will be same info group and user group, it will be same for all. Okay, 03. Then we need to be create 00001, sorry, 00002 for the personal data. Then XY, then 04, then INS, then 0006 for address, 06 for address, Then tip 30 for bank account detail. 30 you're giving XY 05 INS 0009 enter. Yeah. So according to whatever customers say that please give me that set the info type in info group or make the group of info types, whatever info type according this sequence you need to be give each and everything here. User group, operation, info, each and everything you need to be give here. Okay, in this sequence you need to be given. Okay. Now this info group is got created. Now save. Is got created this info group. Any doubt, any confusion till now? Because 3 and 4 step is still pending. We are going to do. So in this thing, any doubt, any confusion, anyone? Till now, info group. This step,
Yes.
last step for how to create the info group. Any doubt, any confusion?
No, this is the step to, actually, at the time of joining, what all data has to be there for
Yeah,
this
yeah. This
creation.
is a step for creation of info group. What is the use of info group? Why we are going to create the user group? Each and everything I have discussed. So that is a step for create the info group. So before creating the action type, first we need to be create the info group. Okay. So this info group is now created. That is a correct process. Okay. So defining info group is created. Now second, next one, set up personal action. So we will click here, set up personal action, then personal action type. Then new entry action, we can take anything. So just to be MQ, same thing I have taken here. No, otherwise you will confuse. So I will take something different, like NQ. Okay, NQ. And name of action DHL new joining. DHL new joining. The functional specification is initial hiring. So we will take one. Customer no need to give. Employment status 3 for the active employees we will give here, and this checkbox for the personal area, personal sub area, employee group, employee sub group for that purpose. Okay. IG info group. What is the info group? Info group name we have created MQ. So that thing we need to be given MQ. Okay. New DHL new joining. Then this one we will take. Why we are going to, because this is for the update of the info type 4 times 0 by default. That's why we have given here. And this thing we need to be create for update of 302 info type. Okay, by default. So this is for there. So now each and everything given. Now we will save. Info group name is MQ and personal action type is NQ. Okay, MQ and NQ. Okay, so now it's created. Close. Then create region for personal action. We will new entry. Whatever action we have created NQ, so we will give in their action name NQ, and then region for action, like we are going to give 01 for DHL new joining and DHL new joining and 02 this subtype whatever we are going to select in PFOC. DHL old joining, DHL old. Now we need to be enter, save. Last step, that is very important. Change action menu. This thing you have to do, otherwise it will not work. Okay, whatever you did the configuration, we're not going to define the action menu, so it will not work. Like a action in 01 action, we need to be give 30. Now save action 30 Then action menu. Which menu we have? 01 for actions. We need to be give there. Now, new entry. Which user group? 30. Sequence number, we don't know what is used, so we can take anything. Just have taken the sequence number 10. Action, NQ. Now enter. Yeah, now save. So now we will again, this is complete step. First I will check PA40, then again I will give the overview about the complete evaluation path. Okay. Navigation, so PA40. See, now we have created DHL. Which one? Yeah, DHL new joining. See, now it's showing DHL new joining. Whatever I have, that thing is showing DHL new joining. So I'm selecting. Now we need to see two groups working on that. So DHL joining. We are going to do the here region for action. Already I have created 01 and 02, two region for action. That thing going to be displayed here. New DHL new joining, DHL old joining. Okay. So here in numbers of drop down you can create from region for action there. So I have selected DHL old joining. Now position we need to be given by default 999. Personal area. Personal area we need to be create. What is your personal area? 66?
No, 0987. That is for another company I've created 0987.
No. You have to say the personal whatever I have given in IGMOD feature.
Acha, oh, yeah, this one.
That because I have did the configuration for that personal area. Okay. Now employee group W8. Yeah. Now it's done. We will save. Automatic next screen will come. So we will select the personal sub area. What is the error we are getting? I think info group that is error related to country chart of account. I think so. What's that? Tell me. I'm not able to see that error. What is the error we are getting?
Define fiscal year variant type.
There is related to I think yeah define fiscal year value.
Yeah, this.
Define.
Yeah.
This is FICO consultant error. Okay, but here is no FICO consultant. We need to be resolve this error. Define fiscal year variant first for company code PNG. Okay, fiscal year we need to be defined. How to define the fiscal year? So we will go to SPR. Okay. So this is a SAP this is a SAP FICO consultant error. In real time scenario, when you will get such type of error, you need to be connect with the FICO consultant. But here is no FICO consultant. That's why we are going to be create that. So we need to financial accounting. Then financial accounting global setting. Then company then fiscal year. Assign company code to fiscal year variant.
What is fiscal?
Fiscal year, one financial year. You know, that is financial accounting terms. Fiscal year, fiscal one financial year. In India, normally we follow from the April to March. That is a one financial year. April to March, one financial year. So, what is your company code? What's the
PNG.
which one?
PNG. That one. That one. Wait. Second one, sir. Second one.
Can you please select? Your company code is PNG, no?
PNG.
PNG Limited, where we can take anything, a calendar year, April to March, PK, we have taken. That is financial accounting, so not our term. Okay, during interview, no one going to be asked about this thing. That is financial accounting. Just resolving purpose, I am doing this one. Now, then financial accounting new general ledger thing. General ledger accounting new. Then master data. Then GL account. That is financial accounting term. Okay, so no need to worry about this. This is financial accounting. This is not our work, but I'm training. That's why I know this thing that we need to be resolve there. P, P, and G. This is a company. So we can take anything here. INT. What is INT? This is already given in system for international. So just tab selected. Okay, that's it. I also don't know what is a chart of account. This thing financial FICO consultant thing. Okay. What is a chart of account? That thing I don't know. So now that error will be resolved. So again, we need to be run that action because refresh the page. /n PA40 enter. This employee name already created. Just have selected our DHL joining and first 001 already created new joining. So we need to execute info group. Whatever info group I have created, that is going to be executed. Continue. So here person area we have to select. I hope that error will go now. Yeah, no error gone. Save. No assignment till now no position is created. That's why I have selected no assignment. By default 999. Continue. Automatic second screen will come 0002. Whatever I have given in info group. Okay, see 0001 person 0002 person data will come. So here we will define the number name. And the name and then date of birth. Next we have given. Now all the information whatever required you can say, which is mandate I have saved. Now automatic will come 0006 for the address. Which address, permanent address, foreign address, data screen will come automatic. See that is why we are getting automatic due to info group, because in info group already I have defined. That's why I am getting this information. Your address we can give XYZ. City we can give. 009 before bank account detail. Okay, so if bank account detail will be there, you need to fill and save. But I don't have any bank account detail. We are not doing so. So now cross this one. So whatever info group I have added, so that we will get one by one. That is employee number 1610 got created successful. Okay. So info group now again I'm going to navigate /PA30. This employee is completely hired in a SAP HCM system. This employee Kumar Krishna Action, organization, personal data address, whatever we have maintained is already green tick. It's updated under PNG Tamil Nadu, DHL main, Big B manager Chennai, LGI Pune payroll area. Everything is now showing. So this employee perfectly had in SAP SM system now. So again, I'm going to repeat the navigation for the same. For creation of info group, personal area, info group, personal action. So here, first we will go /n SPRO enter, then select SAP reference IMG, then select personal management, then need to select personal administration, this part, then need to select customizing procedure, this one, then need to select action, then define info group. Under define info group 3, first you need to be create user group dependency on menu and info group. Here you need to be click over new entry, then you need to be define whatever you want. That is first. After creating user group, set user group in using SU3. Okay, then info group modifier according to your personal area you need to be defined. Okay, give the return value. First you need to be add your personal area here and then need to give the return value, and whatever return value you have given in feature IGMOD. Okay, so that feature you need to be assigned here in last one info group. First column user group, whatever you have defined in user parameter, then info group modifier, whatever return value you have given, then sequence number, then operation according to nature of info type, then info type number, whatever you want to add. Then save, it's got created. Then cross. Then you need to be set up personal action. Then personal action type. Here you need to be defined make new entry, and you need to give the another action, anything you can select 2 words, 2 digit, anything. Then name, same name you can give whatever in user info group you have given. Then FS it will be 01, employment status 3. You need to be taken person area, process area, employee group, employee subgroup, IG, info group modifier, whatever you have defined. Like I have defined MQ, so I need to give here, and then this one first and second. From last only 2. 3 thing is given here, but you need to be select only in 2. This one and this last one column for the country specification. If you are going to be create country global assignment, country reassignment. Okay, if any employee coming from home country to another country, or other country to home country, so that time we need to be select that part. Okay, so that is no need to be select now. So this in last only 2 you need to be select. Then go back, and then you need to be set up personal action. Reason for personal action, like I have created 0 in this part, 01, 02 I have given, so whatever. So you can make a new entry and select your action. Like I have created NQ, so you can create anything and select and give the region for action 01, 02, X1, ABC, anything you can give according to your requirement. Now go back. Then last is very important, that is change action menu. In change action menu no need to be do, because user group dependency already I have given 30. So just to check first one 01 you need to be take. If anyone change these things, so again you need to be do the 30 according to your user group. And then in action menu, second one, in action menu you need to be select your menu like 01 for menu, and then green tick. Then according to your and make a new entry, and according to your user group whatever you have given, and then action type, like I have given NQ, so I have given their NQ here. Okay, that is a complete navigation for creation of user group and personal action type. So first thing SU3, you need to be give the your user group and Volga everyone. So there please give the user group 30. So I can able to check other consultant screen in a Versa system. So that's why I'm requesting to everyone, please select 3030, and then you need to create the info group, then you need to create the personal action type, then region for personal action, then action. Okay, that is a action last step you need to be do. So that is a complete process to create reason for action and action type, and info group in SAP SM system. So in this step, any doubt, any confusion, anyone?
No, sir. We'll go through the theory and then.
Okay, so pardon, can you please be louder?
I'm saying when you will send the screenshot of navigation
So
and
you
when
have
we
to.
will do it,
So
then
for the
yeah.
same, I will share one blog, SAP blog. So their complete step will be given very well manner with the example and a screenshot, and navigation will be also there. So please go on through that document. And what about other Nagwas Yuangi? Any doubt, any confusion in this? Because this is a very, very important. During interview and during real time scenario online project, you have to do same thing according to customer requirement. I have given here single example, but in real time scenario you have to create 5 and 7 action. Like what is the mandate action? Hiring, promotion, separation, uh, transfer, deputation. This thing you need to be create in your real time scenario. So you can check you according to your requirement, your understanding. You have to create now new thing in SAP system. So tomorrow session we will check for the same. Okay. So anyone any doubt, any confusion for the same?
No, sir.
Okay. So I think there will be once we started to do the practice, maybe there will be doubt. Okay. So tomorrow we will, if any doubt, we will tomorrow we will discuss. So for the same, I am going to share the documents and blog for the same. So please do the revision before doing the practice. First, you need to be revise the document, whatever blog and document I am going to share. So that thing you need to be do the revision and then start to do the practice for the same. Okay. So tomorrow session we are going to be check for the same, and the recording session also at the same. Okay. Okay, so in recording session, I have uploaded in LMS. I hope everyone able to access that LMS, whatever provided by Monica.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so there I will
Yes, yes.
after 10 I will upload the same. Okay. Okay, then please do the practice, everyone, and revise the document. And tomorrow we are going to be do the. I will check whatever you have created. Okay, and then we will do the
Yes,
next.
sir.
Okay, then please do the testing, and again we are going to connect on tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.